Welcome back to my channel. I'm Erica Lachey, and guys, it's been so long since I've been over here on this channel. It's been over 5 years. I haven't been going from YouTube. I have a vlog channel. It's called It's Lachey's Time, and that's where I've been spending most of my time on YouTube. If you're not subscribed to that channel, I will have my link below, and I would love for you guys to join my family over there. So I was telling my family, you know what, I have a beauty channel I haven't been on in a very long time, and I've been thinking over the years, like, you know what, I want to start my channel back up, but I'm scared to. I don't know why I had like this little fear of coming back over here on this channel to start back up the channel. So guys, you know, I have people coming to me like, when you coming back? When you coming back? And I've been saying, I'm coming back soon, I'm coming back soon, but I never do. So you know what? I dropped my pride, guys, and now I am back. I'm back over here at Erica Lachey, and I'm excited, guys. I'm excited to see what's ahead, and I hope you guys are excited too. I have a tutorial for you today, guys. It's actually this look right here. It's just a dewy, everyday look that I've been rocking pretty much every day. I would like to share this look with you guys. If you're interested in seeing how I did this dewy everyday look, stay tuned. So guys, I'm starting off with a bare face. As you can see, this is my face with nothing on it at all. I'm not gonna moisturize my skin using like cream products, anything like that. I am gonna use this setting spray to like give my skin, you know, some moisture. So I'm gonna use this first, but before I use this product right here, I'm gonna start off using a brow pencil for my brows, and I'm gonna be doing that first. My pencil has already been sharpened. Make sure you start off with a sharp pencil. If you're using a pencil, make sure that you start with a sharp pencil. So it just gives you the best results, you know, for your line. So I'm just gonna start off by drawing my line at the bottom of my brows, and then I like to just fill it in and go to the top and just make my arch and come down. Yeah, so that's how I start off. I don't fill in the front or anything like that, leave that bare. So I'm just gonna fill it in. So I had already drew this line right here, guys. I had started making that line, and I'm just gonna fill it in, and as I go, just create the arch. I'm gonna go in with the spoolie and just go through that product, and this helps it to blend out really good, so it won't look so harsh on your brows. So I'm just moving the product around. I like to use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fun to sculpt out my brows, so that's what I'm getting ready to do. I'm gonna start off at the bottom of my brow. It just gives it a cleaner look, and you can just clean up your mistakes. You can use any concealer of your preference, but this is the one that I like to use. And I drag that product downwards. The reason I drag it down is because when I get ready to blend it out, it won't be that hard for me to blend it out. Take a little bit more of that product and put it at the top of my brows. Like so. Alright guys, so this is what my brows is looking like. I like to go back sometime and just fix up my line with the concealer if I'm not pleased with it. So yeah, I'll go back in with the brush and just make sure the line is back together properly. And yeah, I just like to go back in with my brush. To sharpen back up my line. I use this brush instead of a blending brush to blend out my product. I don't know, it just works better for me. It's been a long time since I've been on this channel. I'm so happy to be back. It's gonna be different things going on with this channel right here. I don't know as of yet, but I'm getting it together. So yeah. And I just take it and blend the middle down in the middle like that, guys. So yeah, that's how I like to do that. So that's what my brows are looking like, y'all. I love the color of my brows. I like using this color better than I like dark brown. So I don't know, just something about the brown color just giving me life. So I don't know. I think dark color brows to me is a little too harsh for me, you know. So just want to clean up that line a little bit more, y'all. All right, I sprayed my face with the setting spray, the NYX setting spray. As you can see, it's wet a little bit and it's soaking into my skin right now. So I was just waiting around for it to finish soaking in. Then I'm gonna go in with this concealer corrector, LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's in the color orange, red, whatever. And I'm just gonna cover up my dark spots. I have like 3 little pimples right here, and it left like dark spots on my face. And I also have dark circles that I'm gonna be using this to cover up just a little bit. So I'll just use a little bit of this, not too much. And I'm just gonna take my finger and just blend that into my skin just a little bit, y'all, like so. My dark circles is clearing up a lot. I haven't been putting no special treatment on my dark circles. I just stopped stressing so much, guys. Pretty much. Yeah, so dark circles can come from stress. So yeah, I'm just blending that into my skin. And as you can see, that spray had gave me like a dewy look to my skin already. So yeah, I'm going in with the black opal foundation powder, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. I just dot it on there like so. I put it everywhere, all over my skin. I really like this powder foundation. So I got that on my face. Then I'm gonna go in with a sponge and just pat that in my skin like so, guys. make sure I get by my ears and everything too, guys. I have an ugly pimple right here on my face. Alright, next up is Neutrogena concealer. I just got this concealer right here. So I'm going to be applying this up under my eyes as well. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, let it soak into my skin, let it do what it do. Okay, I'm gonna take that same sponge and just pat that into my skin to blend that out. So, yeah, just pat that in like so. And just put some of that product on top of my eyelid because I will be doing like a wing liner. So, I like to bring it down the bridge of my nose. So, yeah. Around my mouth. And up here on my forehead just a little bit. I'll be setting my face with this Fit Me powder. It's a new buy as well. I'm not sure how this looks. I never used it, as you can see. But we're gonna be setting this up under my eye. Trying to take the paper off. Alright guys, we're gonna be using this powder. I'm gonna be using a sponge to set it up under my eyes. Let that bake for a minute. Okay, I'm just patting that into my skin with a brush. I'm not gonna swipe away, I'm just patting it into my skin like so. Alright. I like to use LA Color liquid liner to do my wing liner. I haven't worn a wing liner in so long. I actually started back wearing liner this year. So it's actually been probably like 2 months now since I've been back doing the wing liner look. So we're gonna be doing that right now, guys. So yeah guys, I'm done with the wing look. So that's that. So I'm not gonna be wearing no falsies with this look. This is just a natural look. I'm going in with this LA Color mascara. I'm gonna be applying this to my eyelashes. So I just like to start off wiggling my lashes. My lashes is not that long, but it's actually growing back, guys, because my lashes was so small, y'all. Because I was wearing falsies a lot. So yeah, I like to do like 2 coats of this. Go back over it again. Then I'm gonna go in with Great Lash, and I'm gonna apply this on my lashes as well, just to give it more volume. And I also like to apply this in the back of my lashes. I like to go in with this mineral powder right here. This is by Ruby Kisses in Caramel. So I'm going to be using this product and just highlight up under my eyes a little bit more with this color. I know we did the baking, but I like to go in and just brighten that up just a little bit more using this powder. Now I'm going to be setting my face with this mineral powder, and this one is in the color Chestnut, and it's by the same brand as the other one. I'm just going to be taking that brush and just applying this all over my face, pretty much like contouring a little bit with this powder. I like to go like on the side of my nose and blend all of that in. Take it like on top of my eyelid as well. I'm going back in with NYX setting spray and just set my face with it. Just, you know, set everything together. So just let that sit and let it, you know, just soak into my skin. And yeah, now we're about to move on to the lips, guys. So I'm going to be using J. Cat's lip pencil in the color dark brown, and I use that same pencil for my brows, but the color for my brows was light brown, so this one is dark brown for my lips. So I'm gonna line my lip with this, and it don't have to be perfect at all. I like to have it thicker down here at the bottom and thinner at the top. Okay, now I'm going in with this lip gloss. This is a new buy. So, yeah, it's by Maybelline. It's a beautiful color. I'm gonna have the color on the screen for you guys. So, I'm gonna be applying this lip gloss on top. I love these two together. It's so cute. I've been like using lip liner a lot, guys, on my lips, and I love this color with this brown. It is so pretty. And yes, so here's the completed look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, this is like my go-to everyday look when I don't wear eyeshadow or anything like that, guys. Just simple, you know, powder on the face and wing liner and mascara on my lashes and a simple lip. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.